Guess who this character is? Arthur. Oh, Arthur is such a gentle soul on the island of Sodia. He's a big maroon tank engine who's always polite and careful with his work. Arthur doesn't like causing trouble, and he takes pride in keeping his record spotless. No accidents, no delays, just smooth running. He often works at the docks or pulling goods trains, and everyone knows they can count on him. Even when things get a little messy, Arthur stays calm and kind, making him a real friend to all the engines. Sometimes, Arthur's kindness makes him go the extra mile, literally. He's always ready to lend a helping wheel, whether it's taking over a train for a tired friend or working late to finish a job. With his steady chuff and warm smile, Arthur shows that being careful and caring is just as important as being fast or strong. Guess who this character is? Harry is one of the diesel engines who works down at the smelter's yard, and he's got a bit of a cheeky streak. Along with his twin, Bert, Harry likes to tease the steam engines and stir up a bit of mischief. He's got a sly smile and a knack for making playful, and sometimes slightly troublesome, remarks. Even though he can be a bit of a trickster, he's hardworking when it comes to moving scrap and heavy loads around the yard. When Harry and Bert team up, they're almost inseparable, always sharing jokes and keeping each other entertained. Some engines might roll their eyes at their teasing, but deep down, Harry enjoys being part of the team on Sodia. He may not always show it, but he knows the railway runs best when everyone pulls together, steam and diesel alike. Guess who this character is? Annie. Annie is one of Thomas's faithful coach friends, and she's always cheerful and ready for a busy day. She usually rides right behind Thomas, carrying happy passengers along the branch line. Annie is polite, friendly, and loves chatting with her passengers, making sure everyone feels comfortable and welcome. She takes pride in being part of Thomas's team and helping him keep everything running smoothly. Annie often works side by side with her sister coach, Clarabelle, and the two are practically inseparable. While Clarabelle usually carries luggage and passengers, Annie focuses on giving everyone a pleasant ride. Together, they make the perfect pair, and with Thomas pulling them along, every journey feels like a little adventure on the island of Sodia. Guess who this character is? Yinlong. Yinlong is a bright, sea-green Chinese coach with a fun, easygoing spirit, just the kind of friend you'd love to chat with on a train. He travels alongside his twin, Anan, and together they help Thomas when he visits China. Yinlong's painted teal green with sunny yellow wheels and stripes, and he even shares interesting stories about China's famous bamboo, pandas, and water wheels with whoever's listening. Joyful and full of warmth, Yinlong knows all about the railway routes in China and brings out an engine's friendly side. He's always up for a fun fact or a good laugh, So whenever Thomas is around with his new friends, you just know every journey will be sprinkled with excitement and smiles across the Chinese countryside.